Let us say this question. X is given as square root 5 plus square root 2 by square root 5 minus square root 2. Let us rationalize this by multiplying numerator and denominator with square root 5 plus square root 2. We know that a plus b into a minus b gives a square minus b square. So the denominators, when you multiply, it is in the form a minus b into a plus b, which gives us a square minus b square. And numerator is, we get root 5 plus root 2 whole square. This is nothing but root 5 plus root 2 whole square by 5 minus 2. We know that a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Let us expand the numerator also. That is x equal to a square is root 5 whole square plus root 2 whole square plus 2 into root 5 into root 2 all divided by 5 minus 2 is 3. This gives us 5 plus 2 plus 2 root 10 by 3, which is nothing but 7 plus 2 root 10 by 3. Now, similarly, we will rationalize y. Y is given as 5 minus root 2 by 5 plus root 2. Now we will rationalize by multiplying numerator and denominator with root 5 minus root 2. So this gives us 5 minus 2, and the numerator becomes root 5 minus root 2 whole square. Now, we know that a minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So that gives us the numerator as root 5 whole square plus root 2 whole square minus 2 root 10 whole divided by 5 minus 2 is 3. So y gives us 5 plus 2 minus 2 root 10 by 3, which is nothing but 7 minus 2 root 10 by 3. Now we need to find x square minus y square. X square is nothing but 7 plus 2 root 10 whole square by 3 square is 9. Similarly, y square is 7 minus 2 root 10 whole square by 9, which is nothing but, I'll just write it in the numerator, minus 7 minus 2 root 10 whole square. The identity we apply over here is a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square, which gives us 4ab. So x square minus y square gives, the numerator is in the form of a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square, which is 4ab. So 4 into a is 7, b is 2 root 10 whole by 9. This is nothing but 56 root 10 by 9. So this is the answer. We can see that the bases are given in brackets. So let us solve the bases. So bases in numerator. 7 plus 1 by 2 can be written as 14 by 2 plus 1 by 2, which is 15 by 2. 7 minus 1 by 2 is 14 by 2 minus 1 by 2, which is 13 by 2. Now we'll solve the denominator basis also. 2 plus 1 by 7 is 14 by 7 plus 1 by 7. I can write 2 as 14 by 7. So this is 15 by 7. 2 minus 1 by 7 is 14 by 7 minus 1 by 7, which is 13 by 7. Now I'll substitute in the given expression these answers in the given expression. So I'll get 15 by 2 whole cube into 13 by 2 whole power 4 divided by 15 by 7 whole cube into 13 by 7 whole power 4. Since these are denominators, according to negative index law, we can write them as 1 by a can be written as a power minus 1. That means the powers will become negative. So we can write them as 15 by 2 whole cube into 13 by 2 whole power 4 into 15 by 7 whole power minus 3 into 13 by 7 whole power minus 4. We know that a by b whole power m can be written as a power m by b power m. Applying this to this expression, we get 15 cube by 2 cube into 13 power 4 by 2 power 4 into 15 power minus 3 by 7 power minus 3 into 13 power minus 4 by 7 power minus 4. Now, in numerator, we can write it as 15 cube into 15 power minus 3 to 13 power 4 into 13 power minus 4 whole divided by 2 cube into 2 power 4 into 7 power minus 3 into 7 power minus 4. In numerator, we can see that a power m into a power n can be written as a power m plus n. Since these both are m plus n will be 0 in this case. So this will be nothing but 15 power 3 minus 3 into 13 power 4 minus 4 by 2 power 3 plus 4 into 7 power minus 3 minus 4. I have applied this law of index for these two. I mean, when base is 15, bases are 13, base 2 and base 7. Now, this will result in 15 power 0 into 13 power 0 by 2 power 7 into 7 power minus 7. According to negative index law, 7 power minus 7 can be written as, in numerator we can write it as 15 power 0 and 13 power 0 are 1 into 1 by 2 power 7 into 7 power 7, which gives us 7 power 7 by 2 power 7, in which we can write it as 7 by 2 whole power 7. This is the answer. Now, given on the root 3 power n is 729. How do we solve this? We can write this as 3 power n whole power 1 by 2. And 729 is nothing but 3 power 6. If you prime factorize it, so you will get 729 as 3 power 6. Now we can write this as 3 power n by 2 as a power m whole power n is equal to a power mn, which is equal to 3 power 6. As bases are same, powers are equal. So n by 2 will be equal to 6, which implies n is equal to 6 into 2, which is 12. I have multiplied 2 on both sides, so I'll get left side as n and right side as 12. Now, once I got n value as 12, I'll substitute in the given expression, which is 2 power 12 minus 2 power n minus 2 is 10 by 2 power 12 plus 2 power 10. Now, from this equation, 2 power 12 in numerator, 2 power 12 minus 2 power 10 is given. I can take 2 power 10 as common, since 2 power 10 is less than 2 power 12. So, 2 power 12 is nothing but 2 power 10 into 2 square, right? So, since, how did we get this? A power m plus n can be written as a power m into a power n. Now, as I have taken 2 power 10 as common, I am left with 2 square minus 1 by denominator also the same thing except the sign change. So this gives us, here in numerator and denominator we have the same number, so we can cancel off. Now numerator we have 4 minus 1 and denominator is 4 plus 1. This gives us 3 by 5. This is the answer.
If you like our content, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.